In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add section in Godaddy. We'll walk through adding a new section to your website using GoDaddy's website editor, keeping everything clear and simple so you can follow along confidently. First, open your browser and go to the GoDaddy website. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner. You should see your account area. Click your email address or profile icon there to open the account menu. From that menu, choose My Products. This takes you to a dashboard that lists everything tied to your account. On the products page, find the website or business you want to work on. If you manage multiple sites, take a moment to confirm you're selecting the correct one. When you've identified the right site, open its controls and choose Edit Website. This launches the GoDaddy Websites plus Marketing Editor in a new window or tab. Inside the editor, navigate to the page where you want your new content to live. You can use the site navigation panel to switch pages or scroll through the current page to the exact spot you have in mind. Hover your cursor between existing sections or over a blank area of the page. You'll see an Add Section option appear right where your pointer is. This placement matters because the new section will drop in exactly at that location, so choose carefully to keep your layout organized. Click Add Section. A panel opens showing a library of section types. These are grouped by purpose, like text, images, video, contact forms, lists, galleries, and more. Think about what you need the section to do for visitors. Introduce a service, showcase photos, offer a way to get in touch, and pick the category that matches your goal. After selecting a category, you'll see several layout options. Each option is a pre-designed template with spacing, fonts, and image placements already arranged to look good. Click the layout that fits your content best. The editor immediately inserts it into your page where you chose earlier. From here, you can start customizing that section right in the editor. Replace placeholder text with your own, swap images, and adjust basic settings like titles, buttons, or background styles. If you need to fine-tune later, you can always come back. Sections are easy to edit, hide, or reorder with simple drag and drop. As you work, keep an eye on spacing so the new block feels consistent with the rest of your design. That's all it takes to add a section in GoDaddy. Open your site, go to Edit Website, choose the exact spot, click Add Section, pick the category, and select the layout you need. Repeat the same process anywhere else you want fresh content.